Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the Ac1200 within a few meters of your main router and powering it up. Wait until the LED is stable to confirm boot. Then, make sure you have your main Wi-Fi SSID and password, plus router admin access, because you may need to verify settings. Next, open the TP-Link Tether app or connect to the extender's temporary SSID from a laptop. This starts the guided pairing process and ensures the devices communicate for configuration. Once done with the initial connection, choose Range Extender or Mesh Mode in the app because each mode changes how devices hand off connections. You then select your main SSID and enter its password so the Ac1200 can authenticate and join the network. Make sure to decide whether to clone the main SSID for seamless roaming or create a distinct SSID for troubleshooting. After applying settings, allow the unit to reboot so it can establish a stable mesh link to your router. You finish by relocating the extender to an optimal midpoint where signal quality is strong from the router and improves the dead zone, then run speed and connection tests to confirm improvement. Make sure to check firmware and mesh status in the app, because updates fix stability issues and improve performance. If things go wrong, reboot the router and extender, rerun setup, and if needed, perform a factory reset. This clears misconfigurations and lets you start the guided process again cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.